Good morning, traders. How's everyone doing today? Yesterday was a rough day. If you saw my recap or the live stream, today hopefully we'll get a better day. We had some news this morning. GDP came out. That moved the market. We also had the Fed's Miran talking about how restrictive the policy is right now, that we should be helping stimulating the economy. But of course, he has an alternative a motive there for cutting rates, kind of politically motivated there. But you know, we do need to, I think, cut rates. But the Fed is not ready yet because the inflation is not coming down. So it's a catch-22 at the moment. All right, I'm trying to see if I could catch a trade here. I mean, we're so close to opening the market open. So we had a 1 leg, 2 leg. So it's tricky here because I mean, I could take a stab at it here, but if it breaks out, just for the show. I'm trading micros here, not minis.
Stop field.
All right. The reason I'm trading micros and not minis, okay, we're out of 1. And not minis is because I'm going to move that target a little higher. Let's try to get a little greedy. There you go. We got some more. All right, so we're up $704 in this account. If you recall, I lost about $1,200 in this account yesterday. Yeah, rough day. It was at the opening, market open, that I lost that amount. We made $700 of it back, so more than half of it back. We're back to live with this account. It's $51,086 now in total. I mean, there's a consistency rule of how much we can make in one day in this account, so I should probably slow down now. Okay. We do also have this additional account. This is the account we passed the other day with my funded futures. I'm up $340 on it, and this is the reason why I'm trading micros, because of this account. With my funded futures, they have a scaling plan. Turns out that you're only allowed to buy 1 mini if you are until you make the first $1,000, and then once you make that $1,000, you can go to 2 minis. So what I did is I broke it up into micros so I can add to my position if needed to be, and I would just let me just quickly check here, and I would just add to the position if I need to, right? So market is getting ready to open. It's been sliding all morning. Now we just got this nice 30-point move to the top. Let's see how much more we have left in it. As you can see, I took some earlier trades there. Got in, got out, got in, got out. All right, there was some drawdown here, so it was a little scary. This was around 7:55 a.m. Then I got out of all my positions because the news were getting ready to come out at 8:31. Right here, the news came out. I quickly got out of my positions, and good thing I did because there was this slide. So I got out here, 24,604, and the market went down another 60, 70 points. Okay. So that's certainly something to look out for. Some volatility today. We got a taste of it yesterday. 1, 2. Technically, we could potentially do a breakout trade here. Let's see. What do we have available? We have this 27 account. I'm going to take a stab at it with 1 mini. Normally this is more of a 2 mini trade, but we're getting ready for the market open. I don't want to take too much risk here. If we're wrong, I'll manage it. Sure, why not? We don't get this trade very often, so I'm gonna go with two minis. I'll wait for this breakout. We may not get it. I'm gonna draw a quick bull flag here. See if that's what we're getting here. We also have a little bit of mini bull flag here. Okay. So we could draw support here, AOS. Let's see. There's certainly room to the upside. Alright, I'm sorry. I just realized you guys weren't seeing my quant chart. Okay. Here you go. This is what I was looking at. We're looking at a bull flag here. A breakout. So we had one pullback, second pullback, and we're looking at a breakout trade now to the top. I'm only targeting a few ticks. I don't need a lot. So it looks like we're breaking out of this bull flag already. Let's see if it gives us enough juice. It is 9:23 a.m. Let me quickly check if there are any news upcoming today. Okay, today we had Goolsby speak at 8:20 a.m. Then we had GDP at 8:30. GDP came out to be stronger than anticipated. Kind of bearish for the market, right? Because it looks like showing that we have a strong economy. Initial jobless claims. All right, jobless claims came out to be lower than anticipated, so that's kind of bearish for the market. And core PCE came out to be higher, so inflation is stronger than anticipated, so that's bearish for the market. So hence we got that slide of about 50 or something points on the news. So there's certainly some downside, but at the moment we're kind of pushing up. Continuing jobless claims about the same. Goods, trade balance, real consumer spending is higher than anticipated. All right, 2.5 versus 1.6. GDP sales high. So everything is looking strong here. So Fed is not going to want to cut rates while everything is looking okay. We have Fed Williams speak at 9 a.m. So I think he finished speaking. All right. Let's see. So we have about 5 minutes to the market open. Let's see what it does here. I'm gonna adjust this bull flag since we're still stuck in it. So it's kind of like this. Broke below it, came back in. That happens, that's natural. Like pretty normal. What, 5 points out of the flag? That happens. That just took up some stops, maybe got some fuel for the upside. We'll see if we get that. All right, so a quick recap. I am trading one Topstep account that you cannot see here. It's on my other computer. I'm up $414 there. I'm gonna update my spreadsheet. Okay, we did another dip. All right, maybe I'll adjust it like this. Make this a bigger flag. Okay, so 929. Let's get ready. All right, we have 10 a.m. news, okay? So existing home sales coming out at 10 a.m., so we got to be careful of that in the next 30 minutes. All right. Okay. Let's see if we break out here. I'm just going to leave my trade here. Okay. Wow. Okay, we got that trade. All right, so what I was hoping to do there was to oh wow, the market's just selling off today, huh? See if we get a 2 candle pull back here, or if we go to a lows, and that's not gonna be pretty. Okay, it looks like we're not gonna get that trap for the shorts. Bit of a bear flag here, for sure. Okay. Let's see if we can get a higher. Trap some of the shorts here. So the good entry should have been down here, right below this. Because now if we make new lows, so we're doing a bit of a bear flag action here. Retesting it. Okay. See if we can recover, but I think we're gonna go lower because we just broke here. Unless we, like I said, we grabbed the liquidity. Still, market just opened. It's still trying to decide where it wants to go. Maybe we get a two-legged pullback here. Come on, we just need a little higher high. Looking for a higher high. Okay, I like that. Okay, okay, good. All right, maybe we can look for a two-legged pullback now. We got something here. Gonna look for that two-legged pullback. See if we can get that. Okay, that was instant, right? Yeah, instant win on both of my accounts. All right, so that's good. How are we doing on this account? $179. Okay, there might be a trap here. No, I cannot go there with 2. I can only go there with a 1. Ooh. Okay, wow. What a move down, huh? All right. Nope. Come on, you can do it. A little too soon, I understand.
Order filled. Order filled.
Kind of trapped like I did yesterday. Not happy about that.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just gonna let this
Order filled.
run a little. See if we can kind of break even here on this trade. Still getting trapped here. Really trapped. No, no. Okay, I need to flatten this. Not good trading today. I was gonna look for that white two-legged pullback now. Okay. We got 1. Okay. We still have this downward motion movement here on this market. Hard to trade when it's just so bearish. It's a shame. I was up a bit on this market, but it's just moving so quickly. We have about $600 drawdown left in this account that I'm trading, so I have to be extra careful. Wait for some kind of reversal. Okay, we got one. So this one. This. Okay, there you go. There's a breakdown of this.
Stop fill. Order filled.
Trying to scalp here on my funded futures account. Got into a long there. Just micros. Sorry, I'm not showing it to you. Just micros, nothing exciting there. These are like long trades. Wow, this slide is relentless. It just keeps going down, huh? Gonna wait till it stops. Gonna wait for that reversal. Gotta find those buyers. Okay. Let's wait for them. Okay. Let's see if we get some kind of reversal here. 1. And the market is still reacting to those news. And like I said, we have news coming up at 10 a.m. So a lot of movement. I'm going to try to look for the two-legged pullback. Let's give it a try. Wow, almost wicked us in. That was definitely kind of a trap, felt like a trap. Let's see if we can actually follow through on this. Rip it. Yeah, that could have been a trap. Wow. Got really lucky there. I mean, the battle's not over yet. Move my trade a little higher, like this. Okay, maybe we just trapped some shorts there. Okay. Come on. Show us some strength there. Are we out of 1 mini? I'm gonna just try to see if I can let this guy run. Well, I'll let this runner run. I'll do luck in case there's a trap here. Okay. Alright, where's my other account? Try and get another 20 points out of this market with this reversal trade. See if we can save this account. Okay. Come on, a little more. Sure, I'll take it. Give it to me. Okay. Oh, that was nice. Nice trade. We're still down $734. What a runner, huh? Okay, let's continue trading. What else we have left to do? going to draw my AOS here. Oh, look at that market run. I'll quickly check on my fund and futures account, see what's going on over there. All right, I'm up almost $300 on my trade here. Let's exit that.
Order filled.
I'm going to show you what I'm trying to do here with a trade of 8.
Order filled.
Wow, that was so quick. Couldn't even see what happened. It was just in and out. Very violent. Let me see my quant tower. Are we in the trade already? No? Okay. Let's see if we can. This sell-offs is so violent, it's crazy. I'm gonna try to trade it like.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it's very violent. Okay, we're in something. Hopefully we're in and out. Market is crazy volatile. Just placing orders for like quick scalps here, okay? Up to $110 in this account. See if we can maintain that. But with this crazy volatility, I think trading micros is the better way to go. Well, look at this. Incredible. All right, let's take a look at what we have in the quant tower. Looks like we got out of that trade. Good. Okay. So here I'm looking to just quickly, well, I guess I'm looking to make some of the money back that I lost. We were down, I think, $1,500. Made half of it back. Let's see if we can scalp our way out of there. Okay, we're expecting those news. I'm gonna cancel my orders now. Let's wait for the news to go by. And we really don't know how the market is going to react, so. Oof, look at that. Look at that run. Definitely trapped some shorts there. Let's see if we get another two-legged pullback there. And it trapped some shorts. The market is moving so quickly, my screen is not refreshing fast enough. It's so quick. Okay, we're gonna let the news pass a little bit. Let me check, see what the ATR is like today. Five-minute ATR is shown above 30. I think it's shown close to, yeah, it's 35. It's very high. To trade minis, this is pretty high. Alright, so I would not recommend trading minis at such high ATR because just the movement is so high. Okay. Let's wait another 3 minutes at least for the news to pass. This was a sweet trade we got here. 1, 2. How many points did we get from here? 57. That's a 33-point run. 33 points I got here. Together with this one, I got 35. 35 points on that trade. Not bad. I did lose a lot right here. I was a bit greedy here, right? So I came in with one mini. Now this worked out. This one, 51. Not sure why I didn't get out here. Or is it because I got stuck here? 1. 511. 517. Yeah, I should have been out of here. Or maybe I got... Yeah, I mean, this should have not happened. Did I have 3 minis at this point? Yeah. Should have not happened. Terrible, terrible action. It's kind of like what happened to me yesterday. 1, 2, 3. I got stuck with 3 minis, 3 or 4 minis, and just dragged me down till I got stopped out. So similar to yesterday, we went from 540 down to 120 points. Yeah, 120 points is a lot. Alright, so what are we doing now? Let's see if we can get some kind of trend going here, okay? So we definitely have this downward trend. We had this one. We broke out of it. Then we sort of created this new trend. One, two, three. Kind of look like that. Then we broke out of that trend. So this is when the pre-market market opened around here. And we just stair-stepped lower. One, two, three. We had a really big sell-off prior to the market open, so this was also a nice drop. So we went from 800 down to we sold off about 400 points today. All right, so the market is definitely taking a hit today. Let's see if we can navigate it. Again, I prefer going long. That's why I haven't done any of these shorts. Market does go long higher most of the time, so I hate to bet against that. All right, let's take a look. Are we forming a bull flag here? Looks like it, right? We have one, two. Feel like, oh, the news just came out. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh man, I just missed my opportunity there. See if we can scalp this a little bit. I mean, these are such big moves here. It's very hard to trade this. I mean, we may just break out now to the long side. Yep. Yeah, just missed that entry. Too bad. One, two. I should have gone long here, and I missed it. Can't chase that now. Now with minis. See if we can draw out some. Is the market, first of all, let's take a look. See how well the market is respecting our AOS today, given the volatility. Okay. Gave tiny little respect here, but then continued to fall. Did not give much respect on this one. Third and fourth. It gave some kind of respect. Third and fourth. Okay. Trying to see if I can scalp. It's dangerous territory, for sure. Okay. Looks like it wants to break out. Just don't want to chase it. All right, so we had 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have AOS here. I have another AOS here. So we got 2 AOSs, and then we sort of have a third one right here. Okay, I'm just going to draw the bottom of it right here. Excuse me. Okay, there's the bottom part of the AOS. Let's see if it comes back. To retest the top of this flag. Well, probably not. Okay, so let's do the math here. We said that earlier did not respect the first one. It's mostly the third and fourth that are respected, right? So that's where we'll have our trades set up. Okay, third and fourth. down here. Here we do another bull flag. Might be trying to break out here. Okay. How do we do here? We did this sort of a bull flag, made a little higher, high, and then just flushed right down. Okay. Just gonna have to wait. Market just keeps going higher. Oh man, I really hate to. Such a FOMO here, real FOMO. We might miss the whole trade. Just I know as soon as I'm gonna go long, the market is just gonna dump. So be patient. There's a trap here. This is a big move here. All right, this is like 40 points, 50 points. Maybe we're stair stepping higher and higher. So tempting to go long here, but I mean, we could potentially try entering somewhere here. Like, yeah. Okay, if it decides to touch this trend line, which it hasn't done for a while. I feel like once it touches, it's gonna just break right through. Like, of course, it's gonna miss my entry. All right. Gonna go lower. Didn't feel me the first time. I have to move my trade further away. May break out now. I mean, it may break out to the. I could do something like this, so it doesn't run away from me. Okay, so at least we got something out of this trade. Definitely wasn't much. Feel like if we break out, we rejected my order, saying I have too many trades placed. Yeah, I have too many left out here. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to go for a breakout here. And just manage it if I get stuck in it. It's a 20-point drop. I don't know, it's kind of dangerous. It is dangerous down there, up there. All right. See if I can maybe catch it from here. Yeah, I should have kept that trade on, I guess. Look, it's just peeling away. Peeling away. Wow. Wow. All right, I'm going to do a FOMO trade right here. Definitely going to regret it. But there's stops up here at 590s. Okay, finally, maybe we're getting some pullback here. Okay, I'm in. I'm hoping this would be like breakout to the top. Just like another bull flag, maybe. Or we're just gonna retest. We broke this trend. We're just gonna retest the top of it and then just kind of flush. We'll see. It's more like a revenge trade here, for sure. But we shall see. I mean, all right, just need a little more. See if we get the last push or not. We have another like 7 points to go. See if we get that 7 points, and then hopefully we'll break even on this account. Then a little bit of a bull flag action. Let's hope we can hold it to the long side. Showing some weakness here. Okay, still waiting for this trade to work out. Try and go long here. We're up about a couple $100. We need a little more. All right. I mean, there's definitely some stops up here, right? So we have at 86, you know, there's people gonna have their stops maybe 10 points away. So I'm gonna try to capitalize, you know, catch those stops. Normally I'd be out of this trade, but I'm kind of revenge trading here. I'm trying to go to break even, and I thought I got into a decent trade. I want to see if I can let this play out. If not, we got some AOS here. Hopefully they will work. AOS is like 20 points away. Come on, bull flag. Work it. All right, so if it flushes through, we have some. We have this area of support. We have another area of support right here. Okay, looks like the market is showing some strength. All right, just need a little higher. Okay. Happy, happy, joy, joy. 500 points. I mean $500, excuse me, almost. 5, come on. And all right, we're out. We're still down $11 on this trade, on this account, excuse me. I don't know what to do. Okay, so we have we recovered some of these losses here. I mean, it reached our target. I mean, I can't complain. I didn't move my target at all, right? So let's see. So we have one AOS here. We have another AOS here. I'm gonna put my scalps here. 1, 2. These last few days were very difficult days in terms of trading. Wonder how everyone else is doing. How are the other traders doing? Who you guys watch? Patrick Wheeling. Who you guys watch? Patrick Wheeling. He's live. How is he doing on his trades? Let me see. Is he going long or short? He's got a few guests here. I think he drew a bull flag I see here. Interestingly, he only drew one bull flag. I wonder if he took that trade. Trying to rewind to see if he took any trades. Okay, wow. He took the breakout. 20 minis. For 5 points, huh? Wow. Big size. Nice. 20 minis. Unfortunately I can't. Especially though, if you're trading with prop firms, I don't think you can take such a big size. Patrick Wheeling, I think, gets special treatment, given that he's a influencer. All right. Let me see if we rip higher. They have a lot of volatility. Oof. Can't believe. Oh, there you go. I'm in one trade. Wow, that was very fast. Okay, well, we are positive on that account. I think we need to get at least $50 or something, or $100 in trading. All right, I'm just gonna aim lower. Right here or something. See if we get any kind of pattern here to go long. So we got a little bit of the sell-off. I don't know. Is this gonna continue? I mean, we definitely got some weakness. Nutty Trader posted something an hour ago. Not again, he says. What happened? Looks like he's green. I think he traded probably pre-market, but I don't see many accounts. It looks like he lost all his accounts. He's down to like 5 accounts. So he must have did a terrible thing yesterday. Yeah, these last, like I said, last few days have been very tricky. Okay. Really want to catch this sort of a, I think we having sort of like a bull flag situation here. It's not letting me trade because I thought it's gonna like break out here. No. Feel like it might break out here, and I kind of want to catch that long. Very risky. Okay, we're in. Okay. Okay, I think this might be my last trade on this account. We're up $206. Wasn't easy. I think we were down 1,700 on this account at first. Made that money back. Was not easy, but this last breakout was great. Okay. Let's see. I blew a bunch of accounts yesterday, so the selection is limited now with Apex. Okay, we still have this account 22 to trade. Hopefully get a little more luck here with this account. Like, my only problem with Quant Tower is like the buy buttons are so hard to find. It's like I really want to buy this dip just now, but I couldn't find the buy button. You know? It's like, come on. Maybe it's a good thing sometimes, but right now, come on. Kind of chasing price here, but all right, so let's see if we could draw some AOS again. So it did respect this AOS. Let's draw another one here. We might retest the bottom of this. Like, price likes to come in and test this channel. You see, like, it broke out, came back down. Let's see if it does it here. Breaks out, kind of tries to test, but here didn't reach it. Didn't quite reach it. I mean, what are you gonna do? Where are we going? We got some stops over here. 31s. Okay, looks like we're ready to reach that area. Too late now. Can you take me higher? All right, so we have another AOS here. We have so much AOS. Don't know what to do with it now, huh? Guys, remember this trade? Where was this? Oh, it was in a different account. This guy. Where did I take that long? The breakout long somewhere I took. Can't find it now. It was somewhere here, no? There's a little scalp right here. I think right here I took it long or something. I can't remember now. Anywho, it worked out nicely. Like, just want to be, I want to catch a trade. Come on. Obviously, I want a profitable trade, not a bad trade. Alright, so this kind of bull flagging again. I'm trying to see if I can catch the bottom of this channel here. $24.62.1. See what we do here. Fill me. And just jump up. Jump up. Jump. Nope. Doesn't want to do that. Alright. Is our AOS here? Okay, we're in and out, huh? Alright, so we have an AOS right here. I'm gonna try to go long from there. My AOS is right here. And yeah, didn't quite reach there. Let's see, we're gonna break out. See how long we're gonna stay in this channel. If we continue going down this channel, we can certainly get some of my AOS trades down there. My AOS trade, first one is that 24.617, excuse me, for a quick scalp. Let's just hope we don't like sell off like crazy here. Okay, in and out. I like that. Let's see if we could do another one in there. Okay. Up $102 on that account. Let's see if we can continue this trend. Okay, we're in. Oh, nope. Didn't get much of a bounce there. Come on. All right, we're in 1 and 2. Okay. Continue to sell off a bit there. Will this be like a two-legged pullback here, or do we continue? Guess we'll see. Okay. Are we done here? We're up $204. Good enough for me. Okay, looks like AOS is working decently. Okay, we got two-legged pullback here. Dang it. Do I take it? Guess I have to, huh? I'm gonna try to see if I can catch some more out of this trade, because I'm only going with one mini. If it does break out to the upside, definitely don't want to be trapped. Okay, it could be like a trap right here. Trap for the shorts, I mean. And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna have to manage it from these areas. Well, this one was already tested, so not great over here. So we have a 1-2 two-legged pullback. If it breaks out, you know, we're hoping to catch a nice trade here. If we're trapped, then I'm gonna manage it from low down here. Okay. The reason I have my target all the way up here is because I feel like, you know, there's some stops over here, so it's gonna want to visit that area if it decides to go that low. Okay, just setting my orders here. All right. The price is going down here. I'm thinking this could be a trap for the shorts. It might just come down here and go up. So I have my order set there. We're kind of doing a bull flag action here. Okay, we're in with 1 mini. All right, let's see if we can get some action now. Okay, nice win. $335 on this account. Beautiful. Okay, I think we're done trading this account. Let's wait for some more action. I'd kind of like it to sell off a little bit before entering next trade. We have untested area AOS at 24,598. See, maybe we can get some trade of 8 with Topstep going. All right. Hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. I'll be back in a few minutes. Just want to grab something to eat, okay? Getting really hungry here. Let's watch this market. I really wanted to kind of come down a little bit, take a breather from this rally. I also want to see quickly what my stocks are doing. Wow, there's some serious sell-off in the market today, huh? Russell sold off, Dow sold off, S&P sold off. I mean, they're bouncing now. Touch the bottom pivots. Yeah, my portfolio is down today. It's kind of red. Let's see. Well, Nvidia is holding up a little bit. So energy, wow, UPS is down big time today, huh? Adobe surprisingly is up, but Bristol Myers is down. They had to lower their psoriasis drug by prices by 80%, I think. Something to do with Trump. Chipotle lunches, whatever you call them, salads. Well, not salads. I'd say they're like American salads. They have some veggies in there with a little bit of chicken on top. So they have corn, lettuce, tomatoes, other beans and things like that. So I'd say it's a salad, but I could be wrong. Fed Goolsby says the labor market is cooling off mildly. Yeah, I think his delusional market has cooled off significantly. When was the last time he had to go for a job interview? So the only ones I see up are a little bit of financials, a little bit of tech. I guess energy is doing okay. Yeah. Pharmaceuticals, solar, transportation, retail, everything is down. Bigly. Oh, IBM is up 5%. Yeah, well, they have that quantum computing going for them. Let's see, did we just have a two-legged pullback that I just missed? All right, let's take a look. We had 1, 2, 30. Yep, got 6 points there. Just missed out on those. Okay, the market is kind of in this range now. We'll see what it does. gonna come back in a little bit, okay? Okay, how's everyone doing here, traders? Looks like I might need to restart the stream. Connection is a bit slow here. Let's see. Yeah, let me stop the stream, restart it, and hopefully get a better connection. Okay? I'll see you guys shortly, about maybe 30 minutes.